Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel, and I am encouraging you guys to please finish this entire video so I can help you with the tricks and tips on how you would be able to watch your favorite foreign movies or TV series through your YouTube channel. So there are several movies or TV series that has been banned in your own home country due to copyright issues, or somehow they are just hidden because you are in that certain area that has the same issue. So, guys, with the use of VPN, you would be able to access those movies or TV series in your own YouTube account just by using VPN. So, guys, this is the same as the previous video I have uploaded in relation to VPN so that you can watch particularly some of the TV series such as Karasevda, Tierra de Reyes, and Pasión de Gavilanes. So, we are going to talk about VPN later on. You will be able to get acquainted with how it works so that you will be able to watch foreign movies and series with the English language. So, let me first introduce to you one of my favorite telenovelas way back, Kasam C. I've watched it through ZTV, so it has no English subtitle even before, but I was able to learn its background of story by researching and by trying to observe their actions while they are acting. Pasión de Gavilanes, still in Netflix, luckily with English subtitle. Also, you can find it in YouTube, so it's my favorite telenovela. Tierra de Reyes, it has been deleted in Netflix, but it was hard to look for the English subtitle in YouTube, but they have their full episode. Since I used the VPN, I was able to find its full episode with English subtitles. So there, it is the Mexican version of Pasión de Gavilanes. Karasevda or Endless Love, this is currently the apple of my eye, so I did thorough researching on how I would be able to understand its story by looking for its English subtitle because it has been hidden or banned in some countries due to its copyright issues. Turkey are very strict in having copyright. So guys, let's take a look at the meaning of VPN. It is a virtual private network which disguises your online identity. Particularly, it's your location. So for example, I am here in the Philippines and I want to search for the English translation and with the full episode of Karasevda, or for example, the Tierra de Reyes. And it so happened that it is banned in the country with the same reason that it has an issue with the copyright. So it could also be hidden because I am not in the region. So when I use a VPN and I would search for the English translation of the said telenovelas, it would work like magic because I would be able now to have an access to watch those telenovelas with full episodes and with full English translation. So there are VPNs that are paid and not free so far. So of course, the paid ones will provide you better connection and better protection. Let's take a look at this video wherein I am not using any VPN. Try to search for DZ Lover, who is the content creator, and you will see the different videos here. And you will not find any traces of Karasevda. Okay? In this video, I will be using VPN. So, I've clicked on the application and I am looking for the country which is Russia since there is no Turkey here. So, while it is loading, we are going to wait for the advertisement also to get finished because this is a free VPN, which means advertisements are really expected. So, there is sometimes slow connection that you may experience. And then, After that, you may click the X icon on top of it, and then make sure that you're already connected with the country. And then you will have to click on the YouTube account, and then you have to type the DC Lover content creator again, and then look at the playlist. So it is the same playlist as you've seen a while ago, but you will see that there is already karasevda. And when you click on that playlist and pick one episode, you will get to notice that there is already an English subtitle. It is already unhidden because you have used a VPN, and it disguises already your location, that you are somewhere residing in the region.
İlaçlarını aldın değil mi?
Aldı da.
So guys, this is the application that I am using, and it is highly recommended, and this is for free. So the good thing also about this application is that it is quick to connect, not laggy, and at the same time, it has a lot of countries where you can choose from. And guys, I will leave it to you so you can explore different VPNs that can suit your needs, and I hope that this video helped you. And guys, I would highly appreciate it if you will leave your review, comments, suggestions, and likes. Also, please subscribe and share this video.
Awag nyo ko kalimutan I subscribe ha.